Hey guys, welcome back to another hot day here in Sacramento. You guys know that over the past few days, you guys been following the SuperCharged G35 adventure. With the power level that I'm at right now, I guess it does slip in second gear, and I want to see if we can get some of that traction back because I feel like second gear would be so much fun. I just need it to grip and go. So that's one of the issues we're having, and I also ordered a lightweight drive shaft, and so that's gonna make the car spin a little bit faster. So we need that grip right now. And here's a small clip of, you can see almost a car slipping away from me, but I was able to catch it a little bit. So with that being said, we do need to upgrade our tires, our rear tires at least. You guys look here in the back, we do have some Michelin Super Sports, but these for some reason are not gripping. I mean, I drive them, I warm up the tires, heat it up, you know, to get it up to temp, but they're still not gripping. So I don't think these tires are gonna cut it. So I'm gonna take these off in this video. So if you're interested in these Michelin Super Sports, they're $285, $35, $19. If you're interested, I'm gonna post them up for sale, so let me know. So then the next question you guys are probably asking are like, so what tires did you end up going with? So at first, like I said, I started this channel not knowing anything, so I'm a little unfamiliar with tires, so I started researching tires. I came to a conclusion that three of the best tires are either the Nitto NT05, Toyo R888s or the R888Rs, or some Mickey Thompsons, right? But then I started thinking to myself, damn, these tires are pretty pricey. Even for two, they're pretty pricey, I'm not gonna lie. And those are probably overkill for the power that I'm at right now. Those are for like 600, 800 horsepower vehicles. If you want grips, 1000 horsepower, right? So I started looking a little bit less under my budget. With the help of you guys, I've actually came down to two. Some people started recommending a lot the Federal RSRRs. I think there's 3 different versions now. Right? So I was between those, the Federals, or some Firestone Indy 500. I saw videos of that tire and I didn't hear any negative reviews. All I heard was good things. They're about $220, $230 tire, not pricey at all, and I heard it grips a lot. Now I was actually gonna go for the Indy 500s. I was saving up for it, but as I was refreshing on the Facebook marketplace, I saw this deal right here. So these are the Federal RSRRs. They're in pretty new condition, and I got these for $350 for all 4, man. $350 for all 4 tires, man. That is crazy cheap. And the reason he was selling it is that he installed them in his vehicle, and I guess the vehicle was rubbing, so these tires were a little bit too wide, so he sold me all 4, man. And I mean, this is crazy. But anyways, that's enough of me talking. Let's get in the G35, head over to my friend who's gonna go ahead and install these tires on my G35, and let's get on the road. All right guys, we're in the G35. We got 1 tire there, 1 tire in the back over here. Even though it's 90 something plus degrees outside, it's a cold start because I haven't drove the car. But enjoy this piece right now, because one of the viewers on a previous episode told me that I should do a disclaimer when I start my car because it is pretty loud. But this is a GoPro. The GoPro audio shouldn't be too loud. But with that being said, here's a disclaimer for the cold start. Also don't have a front bumper because my bumper clip broke again. The epoxy didn't work, so I'm actually gonna attempt to fix it for the 2nd time with something more professional, but that'll be next video. But yeah, I don't want to get caught by the police because without no front bumper, intercooler exposed, cops are for sure gonna stop me here in California. So thank God the tire station right here is super close by. Hopefully they don't stop me. I'm gonna leave it with traction control on, neutral, Prius mode. There you go. Gotta be safe in the intersections. I'm gonna keep it in traction control. I want to do a 2nd gear pull so you guys can see that it loses traction. See? The slip light. It's a lot worse. It's scary, man, because the car starts to shake and you're like, oh shit, brother. But yeah, it actually didn't do that bad right now, to be honest. But either way, we already got the tires. We're gonna go ahead and install them. Also take in mind right now, since it's 100 degrees right now, the car is making less power right now because of the heat soaking and everything. So not making as much power, so that could be another reason that it's gripping right now. It's at the tire shop. I'm so dumb. Every time I come here, it always happens. I forgot my freaking special key to take the lug nuts off, and he didn't have any extra, and then he was already almost closing. He was gonna fit me in, but I had to go back home, and he was like, you know, it's probably a little bit too late. Just come back tomorrow morning. So we're gonna come back tomorrow morning to put in the tires and see how it goes. We're switching out the Pilot Super Sports for the Federals over there. Let's see how they go. Bumperless. Alright guys, we got the Federals on. We're gonna see how they are. So far it's been in second and first, but he did put some tire shine. I'm pretty sure that's, plus they're super cold right now. We gotta warm them up. Second gear pull. Man, it's loud, bruh. Oh damn, that shit hooked, bro. No spin, and that was half throttle. I didn't want to go full throttle just because I'm scared, bro. I'm scared. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm scared. Yo, it hooked actually. What the fuck? Hold up. I gotta try this. I don't think that's true. Second gear pull right here. Even the tire got scared. Are you okay, tire, bro? I'm sorry. Hey, put on your seatbelt, mother. Holy shit, that was nuts. What the fuck? Woo! Honestly, completely honest, even though it looked super fast, I still did not do full throttle, bro. I was so scared. Okay, you know what? No freaking full send right here, bro. Ain't none of this PSSSY stuff, bro. We're gonna full send it right here, okay? I think the tires are a little bit warmed up now. We did a couple pulls. Let's yeah, let's do a full send second gear right here. Look, that's a cop. Oh shit, he went straight. Holy shit, my heart just dropped, bro. My heart just fucking dropped, bro. My heart just fucking dropped. Okay, you know what? No more second gear pulls right now, dude. Woo! It was a Sheriff too, bro. It was one of those Chargers with the Sheriffs with the 10. No. I got my spook for today. I am done for today. Woo! I'm just gonna take these back roads right here. I don't even know where I'm going, to be honest. That was full throttle and it stuck by. What the fuck kind of illegal shit is this? What the hell? Alright y'all, we are back home. First impressions on the RSRRs. The humming noise, I heard it when I'm on neutral. Very, very slightly. I'm pretty sure on the highway you'll hear it a lot more in neutral. But since I do have a blow-off valve and my exhaust, I'm pretty 100% confident that I will not be able to hear no tire noise. Just my car is just way too loud. But what I'm super happy is that the tire hooked, man. At first it slipped, but I'm pretty confident it slipped because of all this tire shine that was added to it. It makes it look nice, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm pretty sure after that first pull, it burned it all off. And after that, man, this thing hooked, man. You guys saw a couple gear pulls, and this thing just hooks, man. This thing's freaking amazing. And I got the spook of my life. I thought I saw a sheriff behind me, man. I started going within the streets, you guys saw, but first impressions, it hooked. I had no slipping issues whatsoever. The tire noise is probably not gonna be a big issue for me. I can't wait to show you guys more pulls, 0 to 60s, more on this tire. I feel like this one's freaking sick. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video here. I'm gonna prep so we can do more pulls, 0 to 60 videos for you guys. And then we also have another thing coming in for the Miata, that another sponsorship. So I'm very glad that people are supporting the Miata build. It needs a lot of work though. But I'll catch you guys next video. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Catch you guys next time. Peace.